Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn days in a week in German and English language. Monday. Monday means Montag. Montag. Tuesday. Tuesday means Dienstag. Dienstag. Wednesday. Wednesday means Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Thursday. Thursday means Donnerstag. Donnerstag. Friday. Friday means Freitag. Freitag. Saturday. Saturday means Samstag. Samstag. Sunday. Sunday means Sonntag. Sonntag. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.